Welcome to this introduction to using Maat, a powerful source of truth solution that can describe your services and resources using custom schemas. This video will walk you through the steps of deploying and using Maat as an application in the NMaaS VNOC. Maat is an extensible, reusable, and automation-ready source of truth for defining and managing your network resources and services. It provides open, standard-based APIs to access a scalable database with an extensible data model and integrated validation. It also comes with a dynamic graphical user interface and a separate notification engine. Additionally, Maat supports granular authentication and authorization, as well as detailed logging, which are available when using additional components. All these features make it an ideal choice for your automation-ready inventory. Our focus in this video will be deploying and using Maat that is available in the NMaaS Virtual NOC application catalog. In this way, you are able to deploy Maat, its GUI, and its notification engine. This will create a perfect environment for initial testing of Maat features. Note that in this case, advanced features such as authentication, authorization, and logging are not available. Please refer to other related YouTube videos for more information on this subject. When you visit the NMaaS VNOC page, you first need to log in. After the successful login, you will be able to search for Maat in the application catalog. Once you select it from the list, click on Deploy to start the deployment process. You will need to provide a name for your Maat instance, choose the version to be deployed, and decide whether you would like to receive automatic version upgrades. Once deployment starts, there are no special requirements for configuration. So when prompted, all you need to do is click on Proceed. Upon clicking on Deploy, you will be able to follow the deployment process with the information provided on the page. While waiting for the process to complete, you can use the information links to visit Maat's documentation homepage and source code repository. Once the status of deployment is active, you are ready to use Maat. Via the action buttons, you need to choose Access, where the three different elements of the deployed Maat instance are going to be presented: the Maat engine, the Maat event listener, and the Maat graphical user interface. Each provides its own web user interface that can be accessed. We will open these in new tabs. From here, you are also able to access the Maat application logs, which allow you to take a look at the logs of all deployed containers, including the Mongo database running in the background. The main Maat engine is exposed via a Swagger API that provides access to the Maat Service Inventory API, Resource Inventory API, and Listener Inventory API. After the initial deployment of the Maat application, the database is empty, so executing GET for services and resources will result with an empty body reply. The GET for the Listener API will return one event notification engine. This is the one created automatically during the deployment process. The event notification engine also exposes a Swagger GUI to manage its Event Listener Management API. Right after the Maat deployment, GET will provide an empty body response as there are no events recorded by the listener yet. Maat also exposes a separate graphical user interface that can be used to fully manage the services and resources stored in Maat's database. If we use the interface to create a resource with a special resource characteristic, make sure we save all of the changes we make. We can then go back to the event listener where the new GET will show a list of the actions that we have made, such as creating a resource and making the changes to it. Similar to this, we can use the Maat GUI to view, create, and edit services. And if we create a new service with a new service characteristic and then save the changes, these events will also be made available in the event listener. Of course, the Service Inventory API GET will also report a new service created in Maat. With these examples, we conclude this short demonstration on how to use Maat in the NMaaS Virtual NOC. Thanks for watching. For more details, please check out the Maat documentation or watch other Maat videos on different topics.